Guys, this experience will change your life, most likely change your life forever. You will get to know people that you will probably bring with you in your heart for the years to come.
It's honestly an incredibly rich experience. It's 10 months, it's both long and short. There's so much to do, so my main advice would be to just try to enjoy every moment to the fullest. There's so many extracurricular activities and national days.
My message is to study hard, to play hard, and to enjoy each and every single moment.
Support each other, help one another, and be for each other, not just for yourself. And study a lot, and also try to find a balance between social life and education.
Just try and have fun. Like, for example, I played in the football team, which was kind of a huge part of my experience here, and joined a few societies and did lots of sports and had a social life. You can do a little bit of everything, and I think that's the best way to do it.
I would recommend 100% to try and get out of campus and get into Warsaw and see what the city has to offer.
My last advice, it would be try to develop and cherish the true friendship, and maybe try to find someone with who you will spend the rest of your life.
Each promotion gives an additional brick to the Natolinians in general, to the Natolin spirit. So be inspired and I guess be inspirational for others.